How to fix Telegram? This channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread. So let's get started. First of all, search for the App Store and simply tap on it. Here, search for the Telegram app, then tap on it, and if the update is available, then simply tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Now, once updated, simply check for the channel again, and if still shows the same problem, then the channel may have violated Telegram's community guidelines, such as channels that are flagged for spreading harmful or illegal content, spamming or phishing, promoting violence or illegal activities are often restricted or banned. If the channel has been restricted by Telegram, there is not much you can do except find alternative channels or contact the channel admins if possible to ask about the issue. Then simply go to the Settings app on your mobile device. There, all you have to do is tap on the General option available at the top. We are gonna use VPN. If the issues is region-based, then some channels may be restricted in specific countries. Scroll down and tap on the VPN option available there. Now all you have to do is try using a VPN, a virtual private network, to access the channel from a different location. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.